The question is entrepreneurial mindset or entrepreneurship, right? And for us at Let's Enterprise, the whole focus is entrepreneurial mindset. See, we live in a world where everything is being automated. Software automation, hardware automation, there's less manual work. This is a world where everyone needs to have entrepreneurial mindset. I think for me, looking at what all these teams, student teams have come up with, for me the most exciting thing is it's not just an idea, it's not just a PPT or a pitch, but every one of them has built a prototype in 2 weeks flat. They built a prototype, many of them with working prototypes.
Namaste, my name is Samriti Shah and I'm currently studying in 11th grade, the Kalyani School, Pune. I'm at the BET camp for entrepreneurial training, and the highlight moment was when they set up a mock market and where we had to pitch our product idea and increase our capital by about 50%.
An entrepreneurial mindset is a lot about solving the problems, connecting the dots. The reality of today's world is that though kids have a lot more options than we used to have, it also means that they have that much more decisions to make.
My name is Arohi Soni and I am from Akshara International School at Let's Enterprise PET competition. We had a brief case where we got a situation and a company that we were supposed to represent. The advice that I got from Aditya sir, that in marketing, it is not about selling the product, feeling that you sell to the person and understanding the psychology of the consumer.
This is Mr. Nitesh Ashok Nade, the principal from Sanjay Godawat International School Junior College. Being a part of this event, the students participating from our school and college, we are so overwhelmed to see that children coming up with new innovations, and definitely such kind of programs will enhance to grow the entrepreneurial businesships.
So my name is Akshat Parmar and I'm from Sanjay Godawat International School that's based in Kolhapur. The first time when I came here, that was on 3rd, and we did a lot of interactive games, and it helped me understand how businesses truly work. One thing I truly learned was sometimes what we do is we research, and then most of our ideas are very paper based. What I learned here was to go out in the market, do research, talk to people, and then work out if the problem really exists and if it's not just based on paper.
To be a developed nation, one needs to be self-sufficient, and it is only possible for the economy to grow when we have young people coming up with their entrepreneurial mindset and coming up and developing the entire nation by contributing to the business.
The biggest advantage that India as a country has today is that we are a really young nation, where majority of the developed nations of the world are actually aging. So this young population has the power to bring about a lot of change in the country, and the change can only be brought about through the grassroots level, but with entrepreneurship.